I'm back driving the Ram Rebel again on the brand new Cooper Discoverer Strongholds. They're probably the smoothest tire I've ever had on this truck. And I've had two other types of tires on this truck. I've had the Wrangler Duratrax and the General Grabber ATX. These are by far the smoothest, but I'm not sure if they're the quietest. There's definitely some wind noise that I'm getting, and I think it's just from the sidewalls. I'll give you about 5 seconds of silence so you can hear it. But yeah, overall these are very smooth, and